Hey there, parents and caregivers. Whether you're gearing up for travel, a stroll in the park, or just looking for the perfect companion to make outings with your little one easier, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the best baby strollers of 2024. From lightweight travel wonders to feature-packed everyday strollers. These picks are all about style, comfort, and convenience. So, let's get rolling and find the perfect ride for you and your baby. First on our list is the MAMAZING Lightweight Baby Stroller, a proud winner of the Mom's Choice Gold Award. And trust me, it's easy to see why. This stroller is all about making your life simpler while keeping your little one comfy and secure. Weighing in at just 11.5 pounds, it's one of the lightest strollers on the market. You can easily carry it with one hand while juggling your coffee or diaper bag in the other. Parents, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Its ultra-compact design makes it a breeze to store. Whether it's in the trunk of your car or even in an airplane's overhead compartment. Yep, this stroller is completely airplane-friendly, making it the perfect companion for jet-setting families. And get this. It comes with a one-handed folding mechanism. You can fold and unfold it in seconds. A total lifesaver when your hands are full with a wriggly toddler. But it's not just about convenience. The plush, adjustable seat keeps your baby comfy, while the 5-point safety harness ensures they stay secure. And with a large sun canopy, they're protected from harmful UV rays. Now let's talk about the shock-absorbing wheels. They provide a smooth ride, whether you're navigating city streets or rougher terrain at the park. Oh, and parents will absolutely love the under-seat storage basket. It's surprisingly spacious for such a lightweight stroller. Diapers, toys, snacks, everything fits. And finally, the sleek, modern design. It looks great no matter where you're headed. Next, are you on the hunt for a stroller that combines style, safety, and versatility? Look no further than the Cybex EOS 5-in-1 travel system stroller, paired with the lightweight Aton G infant car seat. This dynamic duo is designed to adapt seamlessly to your growing family's needs. Let's explore what makes this travel system a standout choice for 2024. The Cybex EOS 5-in-1 travel system is engineered to grow with your child from infancy through toddlerhood. Its innovative 2-in-1 seat unit effortlessly transitions from a lay-flat carriage mode for newborns to a reversible toddler seat as your little one grows. No additional components required. Paired with the lightweight Aton G infant car seat, this system ensures your baby's safety and comfort during car rides. The Aton G features linear side impact protection and an 11-position adjustable headrest, providing tailored support as your child develops. The stroller's all-terrain wheels and front-wheel suspension deliver a smooth ride across various surfaces, whether you're navigating city sidewalks or park trails. Plus, the oversized shopping basket offers ample storage for all your essentials, making outings more convenient. Next up, say hello to the BABYZEN Yo-Yo 2 stroller, one of the most popular picks for 2024. Whether you're navigating busy streets, traveling, or just want a stroller that doesn't weigh you down, this sleek companion is a game changer. Let's see what makes it such a must-have. The BABYZEN Yo-Yo 2 stroller is all about portability and convenience, without compromising on comfort or quality. It's ultra-lightweight, weighing just 13.6 pounds with its frame, seat cushion, and canopy. Perfect for busy parents who are constantly on the move. This stroller folds down to an incredibly compact size, making it airplane cabin-friendly and super easy to store in tight spaces. But don't let the size fool you. This stroller is designed for durability and comfort. It features a black aluminum alloy frame that's both stylish and sturdy, and it can handle children up to 48.5 pounds. The seat cushion and matching canopy come in a sleek black design that provides a cozy and safe environment for your child while shielding them from the sun. The four-wheel suspension system ensures a smooth ride, even on bumpy sidewalks. And the soft faux leather handlebar offers a comfortable grip for you. The stroller also boasts one-handed steering, making it easy to maneuver through tight spaces, crowded areas, or busy airports. Let's not forget the underseat storage basket. While it's compact, it can carry up to 11 pounds of baby essentials, from diapers to snacks, and even your shopping bags. And the removable, washable fabrics make cleanup a breeze, keeping your stroller looking fresh and new. Let's face it, traveling with kids can be a challenge. But what if I told you there's a stroller that makes it not only manageable, but downright easy? Meet the Cybex Libelle 2-Travel Pocket Baby Stroller, the ultimate lightweight travel buddy for jet-setting families. Weighing just 13.7 pounds, this stroller is carry-on compatible and folds down into a super compact size, ideal for stowing in airplane overhead compartments or your car's trunk. Whether you're navigating busy airports or tight city streets, this stroller has your back. Now let's talk comfort. The one-hand recline feature allows you to adjust the seat to multiple positions, including a nearly flat position, perfect for nap time on the go. The soft padded seat ensures your baby stays cozy no matter how long the journey. Plus, it's compatible with Cybex car seats, making transitions from car to stroller seamless and hassle-free. This stroller's all-terrain wheels and smooth suspension deliver a buttery smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. And let's not forget the extendable canopy that provides UPF 50+ protection, keeping your little one shielded from the sun's rays. For parents, the easy one-hand fold system is a total lifesaver, especially when juggling bags and a wriggly toddler. The underseat storage basket is spacious enough for essentials like diapers, snacks, and toys. And the sleek dark blue design? It's modern, chic, and fits effortlessly into any setting. Next, the Summer Infant. 3D Light ST is all about making your life easier without compromising your baby's comfort. First off, it's built with a sturdy steel frame that keeps the stroller lightweight at just 13 pounds, while also providing durability you can count on. Perfect for parents who need a stroller that's easy to carry, but tough enough to handle everyday wear and tear. Your little one will love the large seat area, which is designed to accommodate them comfortably as they grow. The multi-position recline feature allows you to adjust the seat to just the right angle, whether your baby wants to nap or sit upright to take in the view. The 5-point safety harness ensures your child stays secure at all times. The stroller comes with a large storage basket beneath the seat, so you'll have plenty of room for diapers, toys, snacks, or even some light shopping. And speaking of convenience, the anti-shock front wheels and lockable rear wheels provide a smooth and stable ride, whether you're strolling through the park or navigating a crowded mall. Folding this stroller is a breeze, thanks to its compact fold design, which also makes it easy to store in your car's trunk or carry onto public transport. The adjustable canopy with a pop-out sun visor protects your baby from harmful UV rays. And the cup holder is a thoughtful touch for parents who need their coffee fix on the go. And that wraps up our picks for the best baby strollers of 2024. Ready to grab the perfect one for your family? Check out the links in the description below and let us know in the comments which stroller caught your eye. Until next time, happy parenting and happy strolling.